Welcome back to my channel Travel Wisdom. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. So without any delay, let's get started. Jaipur, also known as Pink City and the capital city of Rajasthan. In today's video, we're gonna explore top 10 places to visit in Jaipur. The best time to visit Jaipur is from October to February. The maximum temperature is around 20 to 22 degrees. The nights are cooler as the temperature dropping to 5 degrees. First destination on our list is Hawa Mahal. It is also known as Palace of Winds. The top of the Hawa Mahal gives a beautiful view over the city, a stunning view of the architectural expertise of the past. This palace is decorated with 953 windows or jharokhas. It is believed that this mahal was constructed for the royal woman of Rajput family to view the happenings in the city. It is located at the center of the city and it can be easily reached via any public transport. Entry ticket for Hawa Mahal can cost around 20 rupees for Indian tourists and 50 rupees for overseas tourists. If you are a student, do carry your ID card as the Heritage Places of Jaipur gives discount on entry tickets for students. You can even buy a composite ticket valid up to 2 days that can cost around 300 for Indian tourists and 1000 for overseas tourists. You can club your visit to nearby attractions that is Amer Fort, Central Museum, Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal and Nahargarh Fort. Next destination on the list is Amer Fort. Amer Fort is a marvelous example of Rajputana architecture. It was built with red and white sandstone. The Amer Fort has many pavilions and halls of great interest and other popular attractions. Sheesh Mahal is the most popular and beautiful part of Amer Fort. Sheesh Mahal is the magnificent piece of architecture built with beautiful stones, glass, and with beautiful handmade paintings. This palace has been shown in many local movies. The walls and the ceilings in this palace are carved with beautiful flowers and other paintings made with glass. Another interesting activity during the tour is attending the light and sound show. Next destination on the list is Albert Hall Museum. It is the oldest museum of the state and functions as the State Museum of Rajasthan. The museum has a collection of artifacts including paintings, jewelry, carpets, stone, metal sculptures, and work in crystal. This also includes coins from Gupta, Kushan, Delhi Sultan, Mughal, and British period. An Egyptian mummy is the main attraction of the museum, and it is one of the six Egyptian mummy we have in India. Next destination on the list is Chokidhani. If you want to explore and experience the rich heritage and culture of Rajasthan all at one place, Chokidhani is the place for you. Chokidhani means a special village where you get a feel of Rajasthani village. Chokidhani is an ideal place to enjoy the culture and heritage of this beautiful state with all the elements of a legit village. Chokidhani gives you countless reasons to pay a visit here with your families and loved ones. You can enjoy the folk dance and music, traditional Rajasthani cuisine served with Rajasthani culture, the puppet and magic show, take animal rides such as camel, elephant and horse and representation of Haldighati battle. You can also indulge yourself in shopping at Chokidhani. Entry fees for Chokidhani is 800 rupees per head. This place is located approximately 20 kilometers away from Jaipur main city and it is at a distance of about 57 kilometers from Delhi. Next destination on the list is Nahargarh Fort. It is considered as the most visited fort of Rajasthan. Nahargarh Fort stands on the edge of the Aravalli Hills. It gives a breathtaking top view of the Pink City. Nahargarh once formed a strong defense ring for the city. It is almost 11 kilometers away from the Jaipur main city. Entry fees for Nahargarh Fort is up to 50 rupees for Indian tourists and up to 200 rupees for overseas tourists. Next destination on the list is Jal Mahal. Jal Mahal Palace provides a charming view of the Mansagar Lake and the Nahargarh Hills. However, visitors are not allowed to enter in the Jal Mahal, but you can enjoy the view of the palace by boating in the lake. Next destination on the list is Rajmandir Cinema. It is one of the famous cinema halls in India and it is one of the largest cinema halls in Asia. It could be the only cinema which is more famous for its own palace like designs and interiors rather than the movie screened in it. A cinema that will make its audience feel like they are the royal guest of a palace. Next destination on the list is Galtaji Temple. It is a prehistorical Hindu pilgrimage consisting of seven holy water springs. It is built within a mountain pass in the Aravalli Hills. This temple is dedicated to the monkey god and becomes like a festival on Tuesdays. The crazy hustle bustle and monkeys all around are its attractions. Next destination on the list is Patrika Gate. It is a famous monument and tourist attraction in the city. It is an architectural heritage engraved with beautiful paintings, and its vibrant color makes it a treat to photographers. Located 30 minutes outside of a city center, the gate serves as an entrance to Jawahar Circle Garden. Jawahar Circle Garden hosts a light and water show every evening at 7 p.m. Next destination on the list is Birla Mandir. It is also known as Lakshmi Narayan Temple, built with white marble. According to the history, the temple was built on the land given to the Birla family by the Maharaja. One of the India's most famous business family, BM Birla Foundation, built this temple in the year 1988. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe.